Hello, everyone. Welcome to the last week of regular class for ICD-10 PCS coding. This week, we have three chapters, chapters 21, 22A, and 22B. Chapter 21 focuses on coding procedures involved with signs and symptoms. Chapter 22A covers injuries, and Chapter 22B covers with procedures for poisoning and external causes. While these are all three different chapters, they have some recurring themes. One key theme for all three of these chapters is that you have to get the root operation right. It's often diagnostic in nature, but this could be an excision for a biopsy. It could be a drainage for a biopsy. It could be an inspection. You have to understand the intent or the objective of the procedure, determine the root operation, and then assign the correct code. Likewise, many procedures used to treat external causes, in other words, reducing fractures and what have you, can also be accurately mapped to the correct root operation by examining the purpose or the intent of the procedure. If you think of it that way, it's often easier to validate what you see in the index for the first four characters. That's what we have going for this week. Please stop by and contact me or see me during office hours if you have any questions about this material. We'll see you online. Bye now.